Greetings traders, it is Monday, October 10th, 2022. Got a signal out on CL to go long at 92.77. I'll be back. Okay, CL getting close. Okay, there it goes. Just got me in. What did it give me? 78. Yeah, that's right. All right, CL in position here. I'll probably just take 100 ticks on it today, but we'll see what it wants to do. If it really wants to shoot up, I'll hang on to it. But 100 ticks is always good. So I'm looking at getting out at 93.78. As you can see, it's moving up really nice. Doing well. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, so let's say you want to get out. You don't have an order. I got in that market. You don't have an order, and you want to set up your order to get out. Many ways you can go about doing it, but you're going to see me do it right now. I'm going to put in a stop limit. 5 contracts is what I'm in for, and I'm in at 92.78. So I'm going to set the order for 93.78. So type in here 93.78. Check it. Make sure it's right. 93.78. I don't want any buffer in there at all. Want to get out right there. And so this is going to be a sell stop limit 5 quantity at 93.78 on the stop. So as soon as it hits that price, it's going to get me out. As soon as it hits the price, and it will get me out at 93.78. No, nothing worse than that. It can't get me out any worse price. It's just like a limit price, except for I'm using a stop on where I want it to get me out at. So the stop tells you where you want it to get out at, or where you want it to trigger, and this tells you where you're willing to take your profit from. Okay, so I'm just going to set it right here. Okay, so I've got a sell stop limit order set in at 93.78, 5 contracts, and all it needs to do now is go up there, and it will get me out automatically. Once it gets a certain amount ahead, I can place another stop limit order, a sell stop order, as a stop. Now I could bypass all of this just by putting in a bracket order, by coming here and putting in a bracket order, attach stop loss, and you can set it all up so you can put your limit price in, put your stop price in, so that your limit price is your exit price for profit, and the stop price is where you're going to get out for a loss. And set that all up, and that way when you do get in, those orders will automatically already be there. You won't have to mess with any of your orders. So you can do it that way too. Look at this thing really move up. It's really moving. I probably could go for more than 100 ticks here. But hey, there's nothing wrong with 100 ticks on CL. And plus, I've got to concentrate on the other instruments right now. They're very tricky today. They're very tricky, and I've really been struggling to figure out which way they want to go. So I'm still not sure which way they want to go today. But I think down, but I'm not sure about that. I'm still watching, and going to get a signal on US dollar soon, and then I think it's going to be a long signal. And if so, then I could get a confirmation on the markets are going to come down. I could use code 12 to take them short, which should be a big day down if they do go short. So, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and concentrate on this this position here, and it's possible I may place a break-even stop. I'll be back. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and place a break-even stop on it. So in order to do that, I'm just going to place another stop limit. Stop limit 5 quantity. My entry is at 92.78. Now, actually, I don't want to place a stop limit. I want to place a stop on it. Okay, because that's going to go off at market. That'll get me out for sure. If I place a stop limit, it could not get me out. Happens all the time. You have to put a big buffer in there. So I just get out at stop. That way I get out no matter what. And what's my stop price going to be? Well, no matter what, I want to get out with profit. I don't want to lose any money on this trade. Plus I got to pay for the trades themselves. So I'm going to need like 10 ticks. That should get me out with at least 3 tick profit to pay for everything. So that's what I call a break even. Might get me out for better, and I actually make a few dollars, but I'm not trying to make a few dollars. I'm trying to get out so that I don't lose any money. So I'm going to place it for 92.88. Okay, I've got another signal sent out here on the US dollar SGD buy signal, buy stop set at 1.43713. Just going to go in $10 a tick here, and going to go for about 200 ticks. 200 ticks, and now I'm looking at the indexes here, and let's see what they're going to do, looking for a signal on them. I'll be back. Okay, I've placed a 200 tick sell stop limit order. So when it goes up 200 ticks, I will get out right there with a sell stop limit order. So it has to fill me basically at that price. Okay, so I'll come back. I'm looking to take entries on some other signals here. I'm looking for the signal now. Okay, I am not sure what just happened. It seems impossible. Unless I made some mistake. I must have made some mistake. I was trying to take the NQ short. I set the order up and it did not go through. That is really, really, really strange. Why did the order not go through? Okay, I'm going to get a chance to take it. I'm going to take it. I'll be right back. Okay, I just took the NQ short at market, and I am now short on it. Okay, so I've got signals out for short signals on everything on the markets here, and I am now short on everything. Short on the YM, short on the ES, short on the NQ. I've got the dollar long going for 200 ticks on the dollar, and I'm looking at the equivalent of the market today for 200 ticks on the YM. So it's a pretty good size move down today is what I'm looking for here on everything. Okay, I'll be back. Oh, one thing I didn't have a chance to show, but I mentioned it in the signals, is that the dollar came 3 ticks away from the stop, 3 ticks away, and now is of course heading in the right direction, and I'm looking for 200 ticks on it. But yeah, it came 3 ticks away from the stop today. That was a real wild ride, and it shot down really super fast to do it. So that was definitely a wild ride right on that one. Anyway, just patiently waiting here for the markets to roll over today and go down. I'll be back. Okay, markets have begun their move down. Still waiting on the dollar to go up though. But markets coming down, expecting a much larger move down. When the YM hits 200 ticks, I'm going to be looking to get out manually on the NQ and the ES. I'll be back. By the way, if you're watching this video and you're wondering whether you should come and do my signals, well, you can see they are very, very effective. They work very, very well. Okay, I've got 100 ticks here on the YM and corresponding moves on NQ, ES. Still waiting for a 200 tick exit here. I announced it in the room that I think it can make it down there, and I still believe that. We have pretty good math that it will make it there. If not there, it should come pretty close. So, but I believe that it's probably going to hit it today. The 200 ticks on the YM, and my plan is to, as soon as it gets me out here, it'll be my cue to switch over to the NQ, get out, and then ES and get out manually on those. So anyway, math is very good right now. I'll be back. Okay, YM getting close here, getting close, but not quite there. Almost there though. And let's see, dollar is moving up for me. Doesn't have that far to go to hit. The dollar should be able to hit it. It's just that it hasn't been moving very much. Even though the indexes have been moving down, the dollar really has not moved that much at all. Did that on Friday too. In fact, on Friday had to get out break even on Friday's trade on the dollar. Hit the indexes really big though, like 400 ticks on the YM and corresponding on everything else. But just looking for 200 ticks here on this trade. Should be able to get it. Still looks very good, mathematically speaking. I'll be back. Okay, I had to just make a emergency move to get out of everything. It just made a hard reversal on everything. ES and QYM all just made hard reversals on me, including the dollar. And this was my exit up here. And so I just decided to just get out and take what profit I've got today and walk away. So didn't do bad, but I was hoping to do a whole lot better than that, with it continuing to move down and the dollar to go hit my exit. I should have ended somewhere around 20,000. So I'm only like halfway to my planned exit. Anyway, that's the market sometimes, and sometimes you do have to just get out of everything and just take it. You know, sometimes it doesn't work perfect every day for you. And even if it goes all the way back up, I won't cry about it. I'm just going to take it and look forward to the next day. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow with some more trading of my signals that I'm sending out. See you tomorrow.